it's me, Haley Marie, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am showing you guys how I curl my hair. I've been wanting to do this video for a while and I'm finally doing it now. I always get questions on my hair, I always have, and I'm so happy that I can help you guys now with this hair tutorial. So if you want to find out how I get this voluminous, beachy almost, glamorous, curly hair, then keep on watching. Real quickly guys, I just want to let you know this video is sponsored by Duval. If you guys have watched my channel before, then you know I do love Duval products. I use their spin brush every day. It's what helped clear my skin. I have a skincare routine that I will link down below for you guys, but I also have updated that recently, so I'll be doing a new skincare video within the next month or so, depending on how much I love the products. But so far, I want to say I 100% love everything I'm using on my skin right now. But today I'm using the Duval curling iron. It is the Duval Pro Series 3-in-1 Tourmaline, I think that's what you say that, curling wand. They did send this to me. I do have a discount code for you guys. I'll have it on the screen and down below, so be sure to use that if you want to get this. But honestly, my curling iron, my absolute favorite curling iron that I used for years, broke, and I had been on the hunt for the past couple months trying to find the best curling wand to replace it, and I returned, I want to say like 3 or 4 curling irons, because if the curling iron isn't good, it's not going to hold the curl long term, and your curls are going to fall and you're not going to have that beautiful voluminous hair that you're wanting. So this, thank goodness, gives me the best curl I've honestly ever had. I would not be sitting here right now talking to you guys about this if I did not love it, and it's honestly better than the curling iron that I loved for years. So this is great because it has 3 different size heads. It has a larger barrel and a smaller barrel, so these are great if you want those tight curls and you want those really loose curls, but I love something in between, and I will have the sizing on the screen for you guys next to each one of these wands, so that way you guys can get an idea of the sizing for these. But they are awesome. If this ever breaks, I will replace it with this exact curling iron. I love it. I'm going to show you guys how I curl my hair with this size curling wand. This is my everyday curling wand that I use. But I will probably do some future videos with the other one because I do want to try doing like a video with super tight curls. So if you guys want to see that, let me know. But yeah, so without further ado, and I'm going to stop talking about this product and I'm just going to show you guys how I use it. So let's get into it. So guys, this is my natural hair. I washed my hair last night and I let it air dry. I always let it air dry because I like to use the least heat possible on my hair. So this is what my hair looks like naturally. Now, it's not the greatest, it's not the worst, but it's just kind of whatever. Whenever I curl my hair, I never straighten it first. I always use my natural texture to curl because I feel like it holds the curl better. So I'm going to start off by brushing my hair. By the way guys, sorry if you can hear like rain or any like thunder or lightning in the background. It is storming right now. I'm using, I don't know if I said this, oh my gosh, I have setting powder on the back of my brush. I don't know if I said this, but I'm using the wet brush on my hair. I love my wet brush. It's my favorite brush. And I just have like a pink one because what other color would you expect me to have? The main tool I use when curling my hair is this Duval curling wand. Like I said previously, this was sent to me, but I've been on the hunt for a curling iron for a while now because my favorite curling iron that I had broke and they don't sell it anymore, and I couldn't find one that I liked. But this one is the best curling iron I've honestly ever used. I've been using this every time I curl my hair since I got it, and I will continue to use it until I guess it doesn't work anymore or I get a new one or whatever, but this is going to be my curling iron for sure. Like I said, I'll have a discount code on the screen or down below for you guys if you want to purchase this curling iron. The longevity of your curls does depend on the curling iron you use. I've noticed that. A lot of curls fall when you don't use the right curling iron. So this one, I have not had my curls fall at all, and my curls actually will last like another 2, 3, maybe even 4 days after I curl it. I've slept in it like I normally would sleep and everything. So love this curling iron. So I'm just gonna split my hair into sections. I split it typically into 3 sections. So put it in a bun. It's gonna be like a weird half up, half down vibe. We're just gonna roll with it. I'm also using a Chi hair straightener. I just use this to get like the edges right up here since my hair is wavy. I don't like when I have any little crinkles or anything in my hair. So yeah, I'm gonna use this. It's on the highest temperature, which I know isn't the greatest, but I'm gonna use this. This I need to turn on. You can see it heating up, you guys. I don't know if you can tell, but it's heating up. I'm actually out of my heat protectant, so I need to buy a heat protectant, so I'm not using one today, which I never do. Please use a heat protectant, guys. It's so important. I'm gonna have the one that I use in the description down below, or maybe like I'll pop it also up on the screen. My curling iron is heated up to 356, which is what I use on my hair. And I'm gonna start off by doing this little straightening technique I do, so that way there's no like weird lumps in my hair. So that's like the first thing I do. So now I'm going to divide my hair into sections. So this is the size of the first section I'm going to use. And I'm just gonna wrap my hair around this medium-sized barrel. I believe this is a 1-inch barrel, but I could be wrong. Whatever the Duval medium size is, I'll put it on the screen if I can figure it out, but I didn't see it on the package. But yeah, so I'm just gonna wrap that around and let that drop. As you can see, we have a curl. So I'm just gonna keep doing that all the way around. I will curl back on both sides. So as you can see, I'm like grabbing the hair and wrapping backwards, and I'm gonna do the same like this on this side. So the hair goes away on both sides of my face. I don't have a mirror. I'm literally doing this in my viewfinder. I do have a mirror on my side right over here though. As you can see, I'm just taking small sections. So it might actually be too big. Let's divide that a little bit better. There we go. So I'm just taking these like sections and curling and just holding it for a few seconds and dropping. And now you can see how I do it on this side, which I just curl it back like that, hold it for a few seconds, and let go. I feel like if I turn my body this way, it might be better for you guys to see. Again, wrapping, holding, and I wrapping, holding, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let go. Curl is done. Let's do another. Wrapping. Oh my gosh, my goodness. Holding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and release. Literally, that's all the time it takes to get the curl. You're going to wrap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let go. Sometimes I'll focus on like tweaking front hairs more than anywhere else, just because it's important, because it's the hairs that frame your face. So if I don't like how tight the curl is there, I'll go back and tighten it a little bit more. And now I'm going to let down my hair, and I'm gonna do the next layer. So I'm gonna put my thumbs right here, and then things are happening. And then we're gonna wrap this into another little bun. Now I just need to divide off what's already curled, which is actually pretty easy to determine, as you could see. And then this is the next chunk of hair. I'm gonna curl on this side. This is the next chunk of hair on this side. So as you can see, it was pretty easy to divide it off because the difference in texture. I'm going to repeat the same exact thing, and I'm gonna get back to you guys on the top section. Okay guys, so now we're gonna do the last section of hair. So I'm just gonna take this down and not set my hair on fire with the candles. I'm gonna scoot forward just a little bit. And I'm just gonna part my hair how I want it now. So I love a middle part. So we're doing the middle part. I always do a middle part. I still look crazy right now, so we're just gonna roll with it. But I'm just gonna brush this out. So we're gonna start with the back over here and continue the curl. On the top section of my hair, I don't tweak with the straightener until the very end. And I feel like that's the most difficult part of this whole entire hair curling process. Okay, and now for the front part, I'm going to curl it like I normally would curl any other section, and then at the very end I'll go in and tweak anything that needs to be tweaked, but you're gonna see like it's doing a poof thing, and we'll fix it all. Okay, so the same thing to this side. I'm not going to show you guys because I'm going to bore you to death, so I'll be right back. Okay, so it might look done now, but it's not. So we have to do the next step in this process, and that is pulling out the hair straightener to just tweak the bits of hair on the top, gets rid of the frizz a little bit, and we're just going to do that now. So I'm going to try to do this while looking in the mirror, but also letting you guys see. I'm going to take the front section right here and just go like this. I'm going to take this back section right here and just get rid of any weird bumps that might be in my hair. And sometimes I'll even go in and do like a little curl away from the face, depending. And sometimes this process will mess up the curls in the front, and we go back in and just tweak those areas. So I wish I had a mirror in front of me. Did not think this through. So yeah, now I'm just gonna do the same over here. To top it off, I'm using this small sized of the Living Proof Instant Defrizzer. So I love this because Florida humidity. And I just spray that mainly on like the top part. It smells so good. I feel like it got really foggy in here. But smells amazing. Helps with the frizz, as you can see. And lastly, I will use this Argan Oil of Morocco Weightless Healing Dry Oil. And I like using this on my ends. I just spray it a little bit and rub it through just to help with, sometimes I'll spray it at the top too, just to help with any flyaways and split ends. So I love that product for that. That is how I curl my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope it was helpful for those of you who want to get curls like this that are super like voluminous and just kind of beachy, perfect for like summer. I mean, I'd wear my hair like this all year round. Has like a Victoria's Secret model vibe. I love it so much, and it just looks super glam and pretty, and it just is a great way to curl your hair for every day. I love you all so much, and I will see you next time. Bye!